Hello and welcome to another Symbiota tutorial. In my previous video I mentioned that I was going to go over how to re-upload data that you had cleaned. So I downloaded a data file from our Symbiota portal, and I'm going to just briefly go through what the mapping to Darwin Core looks like. It's pretty straightforward if you've downloaded your data as a Darwin Core archive and backup from a Symbiota portal. Just make sure you're logged in here. You're going to go to your specific collection. So I'm going to go to the Academy of Natural Sciences collection and click it. And again, I'm going to look for this editing pencil up here in the corner. And while I'm here, I'm going to look at the administration control panel. And I want to look at import/update specimen records and click that. If you're just starting this, what you'll have to do is click this add button here. You're going to be uploading a file, and then you can call it whatever you want. And don't really worry about this stored procedure thing for the time being. Since I've already created a couple of these, I'm going to use the OrthopNet one, and I'm going to click Initialize Upload. I'm going to browse for a specific file. So let me go to the desktop, and I should have the folder here. Upload tutorial, test data, and I'm going to click Analyze File. It'll take a brief moment to look at all the column names in my CSV, and you'll see that it tried to map them here. And since I downloaded this as a Darwin Core archive, it does a pretty excellent job at mapping the fields to what is in my CSV. So after you're satisfied with that mapping, what you want to do is you want to select how you're going to match up these records. And so match on catalog number is probably the one that you'll use most often. That just looks at the catalog number of what's in the database and the catalog number of the data that you downloaded and updates those records. Match on other catalog numbers can be a little tricky, but it's really helpful if you, say, are updating to a new catalog number system. You can match on the old one and include all of the new official catalog numbers along the way. And then what you would do is you would click Start Upload, and that would start to upload your CSV to the database. Once that's done, it'll say Transfer Specimen Records to the main specimen table. And once you hit yes, that's when it actually goes through and overwrites the records with your corrections that you've made. So one of the things that we did in Scan specifically was we were recording United States as USA instead of United States. So I just downloaded all of our data, did a find and replace in Excel from USA to United States, and re-uploaded it and fixed about 2,000 or so records at once. So this is a really powerful tool for changing a lot of batch errors that you find in your data. This was really brief, but if you have any questions, definitely feel free to leave a comment below. And yeah, I'll see you on the next tutorial.